A truly remarkable home. Main level just painted and new carpet in the bedrooms being installed. The private lot, spacious layout, and picturesque wood view is absolutely enchanting. The semi-open living areas and abundance of natural light create an inviting atmosphere perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. And who wouldn't love the convenience of a fabulous primary bedroom suite, complete with its own serene oasis? The deck with its sunsetter awning is the ideal spot for enjoying outdoor gatherings, rain or shine, while the fenced yard and stamped concrete patio offer additional space for leisure and recreation. Protected by Home Team Defense Traexx pest control. And with a 3-car garage and ample off-street parking, practicality meets luxury effortlessly. The thought of waking up to the bright sun filtering through the trees and savoring morning coffee in the beautiful kitchen area is truly delightful. The option to shoot some pool or entertain guests in the large recreation room adds another layer of versatility to this already impressive home. Plus, the flexibility to set up a ground-level room in the basement as an office or hobby space, along with ample storage for seasonal decorations, ensures functionality meets comfort at every turn. The amenities offered in the Virginia Heritage 45+ community are designed to cater to the diverse interests and lifestyles of its residents. Here's a breakdown of the amenities listed. Clubhouse. This serves as a central gathering place for residents to socialize and engage in various activities. It likely includes spaces for events, gatherings, and possibly fitness facilities. Indoor and outdoor pool. Residents can enjoy swimming year-round with both indoor and outdoor pool options. Billiard room, a dedicated space for playing billiards, providing residents with a recreational activity. Conference room, ideal for meetings, gatherings, or group activities such as book clubs or educational seminars. Gated entry provides security and privacy for residents, offering peace of mind. Social director with many events. Having a social director suggests a vibrant community with a calendar of events and activities, fostering a sense of community and connection among residents. Clubs. The community likely offers various clubs catering to different interests, hobbies, and activities, allowing residents to pursue their passions and connect with like-minded individuals. Tennis/pickleball courts. Sports facilities like tennis and pickleball courts provide opportunities for physical activity and friendly competition. These amenities collectively contribute to a well-rounded and engaging lifestyle within the community, offering opportunities for socialization, recreation.